How to manage nearby share notifications on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage nearby share notifications on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here and now click settings and then go down and you will find notifications. Click on it and then here you will find this category nearby share. If you want to turn it off, just click here and as you see nearby share notifications has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just one click and here you can manage anything you want if you don't want to turn everything off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.